A very good morning, students. I welcome everyone to today's English class. My dear students, today we are going to study speech writing, which is in writing section. Students, in today's video lecture, we shall cover up what is speech writing and its latest marking scheme, and what is the format of a speech, and detailed explanation of every segment of it. And finally, students, we will discuss and practice one sample example. So let's begin it, children. As per the new marking pattern, students, speech writing is of 5 marks. In this, title carries 1 mark, there are 2 marks for content, and the expression of the body carries again 2 marks. Student, now the question arises as to what is a speech writing. So, in its reply, we can say that a speech is an effective way of conveying message to a large audience. Students, it is one of the ways of spreading awareness regarding social issues or giving information regarding other important issues also. And obviously, speech writing is an art that should be developed well enough, right? So, student, now we will discuss how to write a speech. Students, its format is divided into 3 components, namely introduction, main body, and conclusion. First segment is introduction, which must involve number 1, greeting the audience, number 2, self introduction, number 3, topic introduction. And students, the heading of the speech is optional. You can write it or you can leave it. If you are writing it, it should be precise and in 3 to 4 words. So let me show you, students, some sample of introduction writing. The first type is, good morning everyone, respected principal, teachers and friends. I am dash of class dash and I stand before you to share a few thoughts on dash. The second one is like this. Good morning everyone. I, name of class dash, would like to deliver a short speech on dash. Or the third manner of writing introduction says that, good afternoon respected chairperson and my dear friends. Today I would like to present my views before the august body regarding dash. So students, you can go for any one of these. So the most crucial segment of a speech is considered its body, which takes 2 paragraphs to write. So this part, students, include advantages or disadvantages of the situation. Here we are required to organize our points in a logical manner. Students, in this section, we must provide all the required information, facts, statistics, and evidence to clarify each of our points. So, students, we should choose a few good points and we should write a line on each of those good points. So, here comes now, students, what the ending of the speech, which is called conclusion or concluding paragraph. As far as the concluding paragraph or the conclusion is concerned, student, it must summarize all the most important points of our speech. Number 1, number 2, Depending on the purpose of our speech, students, it must uh, be concluded with a call for an action or an appeal or a warning or a request or just an expression of thanks. Now, student, let us practice one sample example of speech writing. Right? Speech is to be written on importance of cleanliness, and value points are as follow: present status prevents diseases, need to practice, reflects the character of the nation, benefits of cleanliness, conclusions. So let's see how we should start its introduction. Student, importance of cleanliness. In the words of the great John Wesley, cleanliness is next to godliness. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today I, Mukul or Mahima, stand before you all to highlight the importance of cleanliness. So, what do we notice in this introduction, students? Is that it starts with a quotation plus formal address. An introduction of self is there, as well as introduction of topic is there. So, students, it is a nice beginning. Let us move forward to the second part of it. Next part is main body, and it is like this: cleanliness is the state or quality of being clean or being kept clean. It is essential for everyone to learn about cleanliness, hygiene, sanitation, and the variety of diseases that are caused due to poor hygienic conditions. It is crucial for physical well-being and maintaining a healthy environment at home and at school. An unclean environment is an invitation for a lot of mosquitoes to breed in and spread deadly diseases. On the other hand, not maintaining personal hygiene leads to a lot of skin problems and decreased immunity. So, student, uh, it contains relevant examples. It contains advantages and disadvantages, and it contains evidences. Let us see what if the next paragraph. The habits learnt at a young age get embedded into one's personality, even if we include a certain habits like washing hands before and after meals, regular brushing and bathing from a young age. We are not bothered about keeping public places clean. For this, on 2nd October 2014, the Indian Prime Minister launched a nationwide cleanliness campaign, Swachh Bharat, to provide sanitation facilities to every family, including toilets, solid and liquid waste disposal systems, village cleanliness, and safe and adequate drinking water supply. Teachers and students of schools are joining this Clean India campaign very actively with great fervor and joy. So, student, what are these? These are the facts. Therefore, these are the points which are to write, right, in order to make our body of the speech effective, right? And last but not the least, here comes the conclusion of the question, which says that good health will ensure a healthy mind, which will lead to increased overall productivity, resulting in higher standards of living, thus developing the economy. It will boost India's international image. Thus, a clean environment is a green environment with less falling ill. Less people falling ill. Cleanliness hence is defined to be the emblem of purity of mind. Thank you. So last but not the least, this conclusion is there, right? So it is clearly concludes with an appeal, students, and a request that is followed for an expression of thanks. So student, thank you very much. Hope you have understood it well. Thank you.